Hi friends, welcome back. Quick question. Have you ever heard people use words cybersecurity and information security like they mean the same thing? Well, they are close but not quite. Today I will break down the difference in a super simple way with examples you can actually relate to. Let's get into it. Let's picturize this. You are online shopping, entering your credit card details. In the background, there are invisible walls, firewalls, encryption, and is protecting you from hackers. That's cybersecurity. It's all about defending computers, phones, and networks from cyber attacks. Think of it like a digital bodyguard keeping bad guys away from your data. Examples: stopping a ransomware attack, blocking phishing emails, or catching malware before it infects your laptop. Purely digital battles. Now, what is information security? Let's zoom out. Information security or InfoSec is bigger. It's not just about hackers or the internet. It's about protecting all kinds of information. That could be a classified document in a locked cabinet, your medical records at a hospital, or even your personal files on a hard drive. InfoSec's job is to make sure information stays private, accurate, and available when needed. So, if cybersecurity is the soldier fighting on the digital front line, information security is the general making sure the whole army and the strategy keeps the kingdom safe. The key difference. So, here's the easiest way to remember it. Cybersecurity equal to digital protection. Information security equal to protecting information in any form. Cybersecurity is actually a part of information security. One is about the battlefield of cyberspace, the other is about the bigger picture of keeping information safe wherever it lives online, offline, or on paper. Careers and why it matters. Both fields are growing like crazy. Cybersecurity roles like analysts and ethical hackers pay really well. Often over six figures, information security managers who focus more on policies and compliance can earn even more. So, whether you are a tech savvy defender who loves outsmarting hackers or a strategist who loves setting the rules and managing risk, there is a place for you. To wrap it up, cybersecurity fights the digital threats, information security protects all kinds of data. Different focus, same mission, keeping us safe in a connected world. If this made things clearer, give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with a friend who always mixes up the two. See you next time. Bye.